If your iPhone 17 vibrates every time you receive a call, notification or type on the keyboard, you can easily turn those vibrations off. Whether you want to disable all vibrations or only certain types of haptic feedback, iOS gives you several options. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn off vibrations on iPhone 17, iPhone Air, iPhone 17 Pro and iPhone 17 Pro Max running the latest version of iOS. If you don't want your iPhone to vibrate for incoming calls and notifications, open the Settings app, tap on Sounds and Haptics. Here, tap on Haptics. From the next page, select Never Play. Your iPhone will no longer vibrate for incoming calls or notifications. If your keyboard vibrates while typing, inside the Sounds and Haptics page, tap on Keyboard Feedback and turn off the toggle for haptic. Your keyboard will stop vibrating while you type. Apple notes that keyboard haptics can have a small impact on battery life. If you want to disable every vibration on your iPhone, open Settings, tap on Accessibility. Here tap on Touch. Scroll down and turn off vibration. This disables all vibrations including calls, notifications, alarms and emergency alerts. Only use this setting if you are sure you don't want your iPhone to vibrate at all. If your iPhone continues vibrating after changing the settings, make sure to restart your iPhone. Make sure you turn off the vibration toggle in Accessibility. Check that haptics is set to Never Play under Sounds and Haptics and install any available iOS updates if you are experiencing unusual behavior. Turning off vibrations on iPhone 17 only takes a few taps. You can disable all haptic feedback, stop vibrations for calls and notifications, turn off keyboard vibration, or customize vibration settings for individual apps depending on your preferences. If this tutorial helped you out, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to iOS Hacker, and turn on notifications for more iPhone tutorials, tips, and latest iOS updates. Thanks for watching.